Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll be solving the extension of the problems that we solved yesterday. Today we'll be solving 5 more problems related to directions. As we saw yesterday, and as we all know that there are basically 4 directions, that is north, south, east and west. As I told earlier, if I am facing north, my right hand would point towards east and my left hand would point towards west. With this in mind, let's solve some of the problems. The first question is, a watch reads 4:30. A watch reads 4:30. If the minute hand points to the east, in which direction does the hour hand point? What they have given is, here there is a watch. It has minute hand and the hour hand. What they have given is, if the minute hand points east, minute hand is pointing east. In which direction would the hour hand point? If I see that, they are asking in which direction is this. If I see that the angle between north and east is 90 degree. Similarly, the angle between east and south is also 90 degree. When I move from minute hand to hour hand, am I moving in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction? If I move from minute hand to hour hand, this is anti-clockwise direction. I have moved 45 degree or 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. The angle between minute hand and this dotted line will be 90 degree. This is somewhere in between. If I see, it will be 3, this is 4, this is 5 and 6. Minute hand will somewhere be in between these two. From here, I am moving in the anti-clockwise direction. To complete till here, it is 90 degree. This is in between these two. It is angle of 45 degree. On moving anti-clockwise 45 degree, what would be the direction B? If I take here, from here, I move 45 degree to in anti-clockwise direction. If I move, this direction would be northeast. Hence, the minute hand will be pointing in northeast direction. Be careful that whenever you are taking such problems, you are moving in anti-clockwise direction through an angle of 45 degree. Similarly, what you need to do is, from here, you need to rotate at an angle of 45 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. You will be facing in the direction of northeast. Moving on to the next one. A man walked 3 meters towards north. North, south, east and west. What they have given is, a man walked 3 meters north. He is moving 3 meters north. A man walked 3 meters north. After that, turned west and walked 2 meters. After walking 3 meters, he turned towards west, and in the left direction. He walked 2 meters. After this, then turned north again and walked 1 meter. After walking 2 meters in the left, he turned north, he walked 1 meter. And turned east and walked 5 meters. Finally he turned towards east, then towards his right. He walked 5 meters. Totally he walked here 5 meters. As we know, this is 2 meters. This will also be 2 meters. Since the complete distance is 5 meters, 5 minus 2 is 3. This is 3 meters. This is 1. This will also be 1 meter. The complete distance here is 4. What we need to find is find the distance from a starting point. So this is 4 meter. This is 3 meters. So we need to find this distance. So P R Q. So using Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So what is PQ square? It is 4 square. So what is QR square? 3 square. So 16 plus 9, that's 25. So PR square is 25. So what is the value of PR? It is 5 meter. Hence he is at a distance of 5 meter from the starting point. While facing east, you turn to your left and walk 10 meters. So what they have given is, while facing east, I am facing towards east. While facing east, you turn to your left. I am facing east. I turn to my left. So when I am facing east, when I turn to my left, I will be facing towards north. And I walk 10 meters. While facing east, I turn towards my left. And I walk 10 meters. So I walk 10 meters. While facing east, I turn towards my left and walk 10 meters. So then I turn right and go 5 meters. Then turn to your left, while facing east, you turn to your left and walk 10 meters. So then turn to your left and walk 10 meters. So then again I turn to my left and walk 10 meters. So and now you turn 45 degree towards your right. So first I am facing east, I turn towards my left, I walk 10 meters, and again I turn towards my left, I walk 10 meters. Now I turn through an angle of 45 degree. This is the angle between this is 90 degree, then I turn 45 degree. So I turn 45 degree towards my right. So I can go straight. If I turn towards my right, this is the path. So towards my right and go straight to cover 25 meters. So here I covered 25 meters. So now in which direction are you from your starting point? So they are asking, this is my starting point. So in which direction I am? This is north and west. So obviously this will be northwest. So the answer is northwest. So I repeat once again. So I am facing towards my east. I am standing at one particular point. I am facing towards east. I turn towards my left. So I will be facing north. I walk 10 meters. So again I turn left. I will be facing west. So I walk 10 meters. Now here I turn towards my right through an angle of 45 degree and walk 25 meters. Walk 25 meters. So finally I will be in the direction of northwest from the starting point. Moving on to the next one. If southeast becomes north, actually this is southeast, this is southwest, northeast and northwest. So what they have given is, if southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on. So according to the first condition, southeast becomes north. So let me circle that what it is going to get converted into. So southeast is becoming north, and the second one is northeast becomes west. So northeast becomes west. So this is the change. So northeast is becoming west. So what they are asking is, what will west become? So southeast becomes north. northeast becomes west. So what is this west getting converted into? So as we know, so from north to west, here also the angle between these two is 90 degree. So we are moving in the anti-clockwise direction. So we need to find what is this. So actually if we are moving, this will become north west. So from here to here again it will be 90 degree. So actually after north and west, this will become south. So again if we move 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction, so this will become east. So they are given these two. Southeast becomes north and northeast becomes west. The angle between these two is 90 degree. If we are moving in the anti-clockwise direction, first it will be north, then west, again one more 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction, it will become south, and another 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction, it will become east. So they are asking what will this west become. So the direction between south and east is southeast. So hence west becomes southeast. Moving on to the next one. I run along the sides of a square field ABCD where C is to the northeast of A and D. So I run along the sides of a square field ABCD where C is to the northeast of A. So C is to the northeast of A. So C is to the northeast. So northeast is here. So C is to the northeast of A. Means A will be somewhere here. So C is to the northeast of A and D is to the southeast of B. So this is southeast. So D is to the southeast of B. So this is A, this is C. So I repeat. I run along the sides of a square ABCD where C is to the northeast of A. If I take this as A, so northeast would be somewhere here. So C is to the northeast of A and D is to the southeast of B. Means southeast is here. If I can't take B here because this is already A. So if I move parallelly, so D is to the southeast of B. From here, from this position, if I take, this will be north, this will be south, this will be east, and this will be west. So obviously this will become southeast. So this is a square. So what they are asking is, starting from A in anti-clockwise direction. So I start from A. This is anti-clockwise direction. So starting from A in the anti-clockwise direction, in which direction shall I be running after crossing B? So starting in the anti-clockwise direction, in which direction shall I be running? In which direction shall I be running after crossing B? So after crossing B, I will be running to the south or north. So I start from A, I run in this direction, in the anti-clockwise direction. After crossing B, I will be running towards south. I will be running towards south. So after crossing B, since I will be taking the square path, so I can't go straight because here there is no square. So after crossing B, if I want to take this BA path, so from B to A, I will be moving towards south. So after crossing B, I will be moving towards south. So let me stop here. So if you have any doubts, as I told earlier, you can just ping me. So in the comment box, there is a WhatsApp link. So just click that. So whatever the problems or whatever the doubts you are having, So you can send me that. I'll be able to solve and send it to you. So thank you.